Hello guys, today we will speak about making a great intro clip for your YouTube channel if you don't have one in just a few minutes. Let's go back to work. We can go on this site panzoid.com that I found out. It's a great site, great looking. You can make a clip, background or video editor. We can go here and then make our own clip. You have templates here that you can choose. You have many templates. If you click more creations, you have more clips or templates that you can select one. For example, we can select this one and then open in clip maker. For our clip, we should click here on the eyeball. Okay, we previewed it. You can use other template, whatever we like. Here on the side we have options that we can regarding our intro clip. Here you can adjust your video resolution, frame rate or length. You can put 5 seconds, for example. We can choose our audio file. You can select your audio file from your computer, some kind of audio file that you like more, and then this song in it. You can fade in, fade out adjustment, a volume, and so on. In this we can group, we can text, import our own text, we can test, we can put in test or write 3 times because of the test, and 2 times if we select one. Let's go. Okay, I shortened it to 5 seconds, and then if that's it, we can download. On the mode we choose how quality we want. I will choose good quality. For the format we have MKV or MKV format or WebM format. Okay, you can start with the render, and then we have to wait until our video has been rendered. At the end of the render we will download our file, and that's it. Now we will wait 20 seconds more and render our file and see what we will get. Okay, download your video. Okay, MKV. And that's it, guys. You can put this video in front of your YouTube video and have your intro. That's it for today. Subscribe and like if you